sand castle. Our family is on vacation and they are having a great time together. Today they are off to hit the beach.
Yes! We are ready to build a castle. Ooh, should we make a big one? A huge and very, very beautiful. Dad, let's go to the beach.
Let's wait for your mother first.
I see.
I'm ready.
Hooray! Let's hit the beach! Woof, woof, hey!
Lovely day.
I like our castle. And let's build 2 towers right there. And let's dig up a pond inside. A pond inside the castle to make it beautiful. All right then, let's dig a big pond.
Nice photos is the most important part. Honey, I'm ready. So, take a picture.
Sorry, honey, I'm waiting for a call. Aha! I'll live in here with you kids. You tell me if someone's calling.
Hey, people, be careful. Okay, Daddy. Sure.
I think there's a bat here.
Then let's go there.
Wow, I'm on fire.
Wow!
Oh,
Great job, kids!
We tried, Daddy.
what a lovely castle. Let's take a picture. Oh, nice photo. I think I look very pretty. What a view.
Bagel! Bring it here quick!
I don't know where it is, Dad.
But I left it here with you!
Whoopsie. I think it's in the castle.
In the castle?
I think we buried it, Dad. Sorry, Daddy. Yeah, really sorry. What are we gonna do? Should we break it now?
No. We'll modify it.
Oh, I like it.
Please don't hang up. Phew! It's your granny.
She must be missing us. Let's call her back.
We'll call her back, all right.
Wow, this is very lovely. Let's take a picture, kids.
And what about you, Mom? Yeah, you look great.
But we don't have a tripod.
One moment. Over here.
Say cheese.
Wow, what do you know? I just got promoted.
Hooray! Woof, woof, hey!
Lovely day.
Shopping.
Do you like my papers warm, Mommy?
Splendid, Tassel.
Look, Mom, I've made one too.
Wonderful, Bagel. Thanks for being helpers, kids. Love you.
Daddy's off to get goodies. Who's got the shopping list?
Here you go, Daddy. And don't forget the berries.
You know what, Mommy? I think I'll just make myself a photo. That's right. It's better this way.
Mom, can we come?
Sure.
Yay!
Go get dressed.
There we go. Easy peasy.
Oh, that's for you. Woof, woof, hey.
Lovely day! Yay! Oh!
Pop out, puppies. We're here.
Yippee! Yay! Goodies, here we come! Now me first!
Whoopsie. This is too bad. Well, let's see.
I want bunchies!
Okay.
Hey, Dad, let's take this.
Uh-huh. Sure.
Hey, what's that?
Dad, can I clean my teeth with peanut butter?
Plunger? Yes, take it.
Woohoo!
I mean, don't. Jeez, I can't make head or tail of this. Oh, why didn't I take Mommy's shopping list?
Me neither.
Let's get jelly beans.
Oh, what are we gonna do, Daddy?
Oh, Mom will get very upset if we buy nothing.
Hold on a second. Let me think. Okay. Milk, flour, eggs. Oh no, I forgot.
My turn. Woo! Oh, it's too high. Daddy, our paper's one is stuck.
All right, Tassel, I'll get it for you. Hey, hold on a second. It's Mommy's shopping list.
Yay! We found it.
Let's get back to our goodies.
Hi, Mommy.
Oh, right on time, fam. Did you get the berries?
Sure thing. Plus a little extra.
Oh, how lovely. Let's make the cake, everybody.
Ah, the cake. My favorite.
Woof, woof.
Hey.
Lovely day.
The new car. Today, the Woof Wolves go to the park. But trouble seemed to follow them from the very morning.
Looks like this is it.
What happened?
Our poor car broke down.
Can we fix it somehow?
Nope, I'm afraid not.
Well, then we should probably buy a new one.
Yeah! Yay!
Okay then, let's get ourselves a new car.
Great!
Woof woof, hey!
Holiday! Woof. But what about our old car?
Don't worry, we will recycle it.
What's that?
It's when they take the old car apart and then melt its parts to make a new, modern, eco-friendly one.
Good. Whoa! Oh wow! So many cars! Great! Let's see. Look! Let's buy this one. It's so bright and shiny and beautiful. Are you kidding? Dad doesn't want this car. It's girly. But I want it so badly. It's a dream. Wow! Look here. It's so cool. Let's buy this one.
Oh, whoopsie.
Ouch!
Oh no. Oh my! We should buy this car. It's nice and pretty. Don't you agree? I would sure like to try it out myself. This is nice.
I know! This one here is a win-win. This car is a dream.
How are we supposed to pick the right one? Yeah, we all like different cars.
I know. Maybe Mr. Salesman can help us out.
I'll go find him. Hello, sir.
Good day, sir.
Our family wants to buy a car, but we can find the right one. Can you help?
I think I know what you need. Follow me. This
Awesome.
car is great! How do you like it, fam?
Oh, I love it. Guys,
Yay!
Good! Let's get this one then.
This car is so cool. It's so good we picked this one.
yes, kids. How about we take a little trip sometime soon?
I'm in.
Woof woof, hey!
Lovely day.